Hi my friends, and welcome back to our Yokogawa CENTUM lessons. And in this lesson we will continue our study about MC-2E blocks. And first let's open our system view. So my friends, to use our new blocks, we must make some change in our FCS. So we must add, this function is already added in my studio, but you must add it in yours. You will choose it from here and add it, and then click the OK button. And what does it mean? It's this is the so my friend, this is the digital input and output in haste, and these properties allow to FCS use additional input and output function and libraries, including the MC-2 for the motor control and the MC-3 for the valve and motor controls. And you can find it by pass in your library in Yokogawa DCS. So after that, click the OK button and you will see the messages appear here, and the studio will compile the library again for you. So my friends, after that, let's open our functional blocks and we must make some change. And here, firstly, let's add our new blocks. Insert functional blocks. MC and press OK button and add it here. Test. And let's firstly make some change in our blocks with details. First, we must switch on the control of the discrete signal feedback of our discrete signals. So we go to the input, and here we have the answer back check. So here we use the both side, and how it's changed. Let me open the page. So by default, our faceplate, when we used MC2 blocks, has the 3 buttons here. And 1, 2, and 3. And why we used 3? Because by default this block is used for the pump, but we try to use it for the valve. So we have 3 buttons here. It's the direct button, it's the stop button. And when I say the pump, I mean the motor of the pump, and the reverse button here. Reverse. And we want to change it to close and open. So we disable this button, and we used only 2 signals. Here is the open signal and the close signal here. And this one is will be switched off. So we use for the open, and this one for close. So now we return to our Studio. And also, my friends, I think that we must disable the analog signals display bar, that we will not use it for our valves. And also let's change the button, the label of our buttons. So let's use the open, close, open. And here we use the, I think, yes, 3 position status input. It's okay for us. Let's close this one, update, and then close. And also let's change the name for the valve. And here, my friends, why we use the 3 position, because I think, let me return again to our basic tab. I think we will use the open, it's the PV2, and the middle, it's the PV1, and the close for PV0. Let's write it down. Use the PV2 for open our valve, PV1. When I say PV2, it's the PV equal to 2, and PV process variable is equal for the 1 for the middle position of our valves, and PV equal to 0 is the for completely closed position. For closed position. Let's close this one. Close this one, and let's compile our project. So, my friends, we have no errors and messages, and that's all for today. In the next lesson, we will continue to configure our MC blocks, and after 2 lessons, we will simulate the logic of our programs. And I wish you good health and good like. Subscribe to our channel and click the like button if you enjoy the video. See you in the next lesson.